Hi everyone! Today's tutorial is a work-appropriate makeup look. A friend of mine recently started a new job and she wanted a quick and easy makeup routine video. So I decided to film this one using minimal makeup and also some tips and tricks on how to look neat and well groomed. It's not going to be a full coverage and dramatic makeup look, just a simple, easy look. So let's get started. I'm going to first start with this OLAY moisturizer with sunscreen meant for sensitive skin. I usually take about 3 pumps and massage it well into the skin so that it won't leave a white cast. Sunscreen is very essential for daytime looks in order to prevent hyperpigmentation and dark spots. Next, I'm going to apply this Maybelline BB cream. It is in the shade 120 medium. It's a sheer tint, so it's got slight coverage and it has got a lot of added benefits. It's got 2% salicylic acid, so it clears acne, it conceals imperfections, it minimizes the look of pores, it reduces the appearance of redness, adjusts to skin tone, hydrates, smooths, mattifies, clarifies, 0% oils, and lightweight feel. The only thing missing is sunscreen, so if it also came with sunscreen, I probably would have used just this one step. So I like to lightly apply this with my fingers. Don't forget the neck. I love how it makes my skin matte. It comes only in 3 shades, so you have to choose either light, medium or dark. I have the medium and it still is pretty light. Next, let's move on to the eyebrows. Sometimes when I'm about to do my eyebrows, that's when I notice it's totally unruly and I haven't groomed them. So then I use this handy tool. It's from Remington. It is a trimmer. So I like to quickly groom my eyebrows with this tool. Just switch it on and just clean up your eyebrows. You can also use it to get rid of the peach fuzz that grows on the cheeks or upper lip. It's quite handy. So once your eyebrows are groomed and perfect, the only thing left to do is fill it in slightly. I like to use a tinted brow gel. This is in the dark brown shade. So easy, and your brows are done. Next, eyes. I like to use a black eyeliner and put a very thin line close to my lash line. This makes me look awake. For the lower lash line, I like to use a brown eyeshadow. Now time for the lashes. I like to first curl my lashes. For work, it's always safer to use a waterproof mascara. I like to splash water on my face when my eyes get tired, and that's why I switched from a normal mascara to a waterproof one. Now it's time to add a little bit of color on the cheeks. Always choose a natural looking blush without any shimmers for a daytime look. If you want to know which color suits you, just lightly pinch your cheeks and whatever color shows through, try to get a blush that is closely matching with your natural blush. Take a nice fluffy blush brush and sweep it over your cheeks. This will add a little bit of warmth to your face. You can even use a bronzer, but I prefer this natural looking blush. I also like to add a little bit of this onto my eyelids. I'm going to choose a peachy nude lipstick from MAC to give a natural color to the lips. Now I'm going to use this liner from Maybelline to line my lips. For your hair, wash and style it the previous night so that the next day you just have to add a clip or a hairband and some hairspray to freshen up your style. I've made a separate video on how I style my hair. I'll link it in the description below. The hairspray will help to tame down any flyaways and keep your hairstyle looking neat and fresh the whole day. Add some small earrings to complete the look. For the nails, I like to keep it short and filed and apply this nude shade from ESSIE. It's called Sugar Daddy and I feel it makes the nails look very elegant. Thank you so much for watching this video. But before you go, I have a small task for you. Click the like button and also leave an emoji in the comments depicting your profession. See you in the next one. If you do have any suggestions on what you want to see next, let me know in the comments below. Take care. Bye.